So I've only opened the box, and I haven't seen what's inside of it yet. This is the unboxing video for Chris's creations. A note I will read later. Some good packaging. Lunar, relax. That's the boy, Lunar. What do we got here? These have got to be the Lunar Christmas ornaments. Look at that sexy sumbitch. Look at that. That's beautiful. So there's my hand size. You can see how big this ornament is next to my hand. It's good size. It's really pretty. Excellent work, Chris. Let's see what the other one looks like. I'm getting a good view of my kitchen while I do this. Bam! Another beautiful lunar ornament. Look at this. And I'll do the other stuff in another video. This is already 2 minutes.